Have you ever wondered how the latest entry in a classic franchise compares to its new challenger? Today, we're diving deep into Humankind vs. Civilization 7. Let's start with some background. Civilization is a long-running series that has gone through 6 iterations, while Humankind is the new kid on the block from Amplitude Studios. Civilization 7 focuses on eras and unique leader-civilization combinations. In contrast, Humankind introduces dynamic cultural blending as a core gameplay feature. When it comes to visuals and modding support, Civilization 7 has an edge. This is evident in its polished sheen from countless expansion packs that have refined the series. Humankind re-evaluates fundamentals of historical strategy games like Civilization. It explores strategic potential with terrain and cultural blending, providing a fresh take on the genre. While Humankind is still rough around the edges, its compelling ideas offer a worthy alternative to Civilization. It's clear that Amplitude aims to challenge established norms in strategy gaming. In summary, both games have their strengths and unique selling points. Civilization 7 offers refined gameplay with visual flair, while Humankind brings innovative cultural dynamics to the table. Which game do you think stands out more? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more gaming insight.